Options are the greatest invention in trading. Pay a small premium, control lots worth of stock. Defined risk. Unlimited upside. Why would anyone trade without them?
Greatest invention? 95% of options expire worthless. The average retail options trader loses 1.1 lakh per year. That is not an invention. That is a wealth destruction machine.
Welcome to Bull vs. Bear. Episode 8. Options for beginners. Leverage or suicide. The score stands at Bull 3, Bear 4. Shadow leads the series. 3 rounds. 1 winner. Let's go. Round 1. Why options are the smartest tool in trading. Fact 1. Leverage. With 50,000 rupees, you can control 5 lakh worth of Nifty. That is 10x leverage. Fact 2. Defined risk. When you buy a call or put, your maximum loss is the premium you paid. Nothing more. You cannot lose more than that. Ever. Fact 3. Directionality. Calls for up, puts for down, straddles for big moves either way. No other instrument gives you this flexibility.
Leverage works both ways, Sonny. 10x leverage means a 1% move against you wipes out 10% of your premium. And defined risk? Sure, your max loss is the premium. But you lose that premium 95% of the time. According to NSE data, 95% of all options expire worthless. Your defined risk is 100% loss on almost every trade.
Round 1 goes to Bear. That 95% expiry stat is devastating. Defined risk means nothing when your risk is losing everything you put in almost every time. Round 2. Options are the best hedge in existence. Let me show you. You own 10 lakh of Nifty stocks. Market crashes 10%. Without a hedge, you lose 1 lakh. With a put option costing 10,000, you are protected. The put goes up as the market crashes. Your net loss? Maybe 20,000 instead of 1 lakh. Options are insurance. Every professional uses them.
Hedging? That is for professionals with large portfolios. Beginners are not hedging. They are buying weekly out-of-the-money calls hoping for lottery tickets. The SEBI 2023 study is clear. 89% of individual options traders lost money. The average loss was 1.1 lakh per year. And the top 1% of traders captured most of the profits. Beginners are the product, not the customer.
Round 2 goes to Bear again. The SEBI 2023 study is real data. 89% lose money. 1.1 lakh average annual loss. The hedging argument is valid for pros, but beginners are gambling, not hedging. Round 3. I will be honest. Options can work for beginners if they start right. Sell covered calls on stocks you own. Buy protective puts. Use spreads to limit risk on both sides. Paper trade for 3 months before real money. Options are a tool. A hammer can build a house or break your thumb. It depends on who is holding it.
A tool that breaks thumbs 95% of the time is a bad tool. Here is the real killer. Time decay. Theta. Every single day your option loses value just from time passing. Buy a call on Monday, stock does not move all week, you still lose money. Beginners do not understand Theta. They do not understand implied volatility crush after earnings. They do not understand gamma risk. The complexity alone makes options a death trap for beginners.
Round 3 goes to Bear. Time decay is the silent killer that beginners never see coming. 3 rounds. 3 wins for Shadow. A clean sweep on this one. Final score. Bull 0, Bear 3. Shadow dominates. The series score is now Bull 3, Bear 5. The data is overwhelming. Options destroy beginners. The lesson. Options are powerful but dangerous for beginners. 95% expire worthless. 89% of retail options traders lose money per SEBI 2023. Average loss is 1.1 lakh per year. If you must trade options, start with paper trading, learn the Greeks, and never risk more than 2% of capital on a single trade. Options are not a shortcut to wealth. They're a shortcut to zero for the unprepared. Should beginners trade options? Team Bull or Team Bear? Comment below. Subscribe to TradeSharp for more debates.